Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today in this video, I will be showing you how I style my locks. I am using rose water and I am also using oil. I'm using the wild growth oil, but you can use any oil that you like. I like to always shake it up before I style my hair, and I just like to wet my hair before I style it. I find when I do this, it's more pliable and it bends more and all that good stuff. So first, get your hair nice and moisturized. Today on this in this video, actually, it's going to be. This was previously recorded. It was my birthday, so I was trying to hurry up and figure out a style. I usually don't even style my locks, but I was like, you know what? Why not? It's my birthday. So watch me as I style my locks. I hope everybody take care, be blessed. I am just using rubber bands. Make sure when you do style your locks, you don't make them tight. I get headaches real fast. So I do not have my hair tight. So again, just make sure it's not tight and just follow along. And in the comments below, let me know what type of styles you like on your locks. Okay? Continue to watch, and don't forget right now, go ahead and press that subscribe button, guys. I am so excited too. I forgot to tell you that I have reached 65,000 subscribers. I am super excited. Soon I will be doing a giveaway for all my subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will be coming at you guys and let you know. Okay, be blessed and enjoy. Okay, guys, this was my first time doing these rose petals. I mean Loc Petals. I'm sorry. When I say these took a lot longer than expected, I'm one of them type of people that when I am ready to get my style out, I am ready to get my style out. So I did not want to like rubber banded a whole bunch of times. I only rubber banded a few times because, like I said, you guys, I get headaches. So I just wanted something cute for just a little bit. So you do not have to rubber band it around a whole bunch of times. The only thing I can say that I didn't like about this style is that you were able to see the rubber bands. Even though it was cute, but I'm going to figure out a way that you're not able to see the rubber bands. Like I said, this is my first time doing this style. Would I do it again? Most definitely yes. It came out really cute, but it took a lot longer than I thought. So make sure you have some time to dedicate to get it right. But just keep following me. I was very happy with this style, though. It came out really cute. So at least it was worth the wait. But just to let you guys know, this is not a quick process. Loc petals take a little time to do. Okay. And really quick, I just want to let you guys know I cut my hand yesterday when I was cooking. So if you're wondering why the Band-Aid is there, that is why the Band-Aid is there. I'm getting excited because I'm almost done. And my hubby is actually sitting there downstairs waiting on me. Like I said, you guys know I'm a last minute person. So yes, I decided to do this style last minute. So you can do it last minute, but just know that it take just a little bit of time. Okay, but it's well worth it. Okay, guys, I am done doing the Loc Petals. Almost. I'm just gonna do a couple more. And now you just kind of just lay the hair how you want to lay the hair. It's all up to you. I use a rubber bands, like I told you. You can also use a net. You just kind of play around with it and see what you come up with. But that is pretty much it. I'll be showing you guys the end result in just a few. But like I said, you guys, I am very happy with this. I will do it again. I most definitely will do it again. Stay tuned, guys, for more styling. I'm not going to be styling all the time, like I told you guys, because I get headaches quick. But sometimes it's good. Like if you are tired of your locks being down or you just need something new done to your locks, try a style. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Always check the back. Always check the back. Be blessed, and I'll show you pictures at the end. Okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe now, guys. Bye.